Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I got two hairstyles I'm going to show you that are fun and easy to do and everyday looks. So the first one is, I'm going to brush on my hair. We're going to make sure you split your hair apart. We're going to do two braids, just down. Okay? I'm going to take this and just braid it. All the way down, so it'll look like, and then you take a hair tie. Well, that'll be the first one that it'll look like. Oops. And then you're gonna take it, another one. If you got longer hair, it'll look so much better. I got not that long hair. And then you're gonna take it. And then you're just gonna take it. You're just gonna go all the way down. Tie it like that. Then what I like to do, I like to put a headband in to make it look a little bit cuter. Oops. That's what it looks like. And if you got little strands, you can either pin that back with a bobby pin or just staple, hairspray it and stuff like that. You can hairspray it or pin it back. Now that was the first hairstyle. Now we're on to the second hairstyle. So for this hairstyle, you need to put your hair in a ponytail. It can either be high ponytail or whatever you feel like doing. Okay. Put it in a high ponytail, and I like to take my thing. Grab a hair tie. Hair tie it up. You're standing the flickers, and then you take it, and then you start twisting. You're going to need a second hair tie too for this part when you're done twisting. At the end. Make sure you twist it all the way to the end. And then you're going to take it and you're going to go all the way around. And then you're going to, you will need it. And then since it looks a little weird right here, which is always going to do, then you got to take some, if you got longer hair to look better. I got short hair, and I take some. I like to take some bobby pins and just squish it down a little bit. And then, voila, that's what it should look like. But then I like to add a headband because I don't like, if you want to just leave your hair like that, and I like bows or whatever, I like to do this. And then I just like to take all my baby hairs Just put them all back, just like. So that's hairstyle style number 2. That's what it looks like. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay confident. Bye.